Learn English to Gujarati action phrases. Take action to.
अपवादની મંજૂરી આપવી.
Welcome to the office circus. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a slightly chaotic office story. Good news. The chaos is funny and the vocabulary is useful. Picture this. It is Monday morning, the printer is making sounds like a confused goat, and everyone in the office suddenly decides that today is the perfect day to become extremely important. Your mission is simple: survive the drama and learn 8 powerful Gujarati phrases. First, when panic begins, you must.
પગલું ભરવું.
Which means take action, not just stare at the ceiling like it owes you money. Then the team must.
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
Or bring about a decision, because a 3-hour meeting about snacks is still a meeting, but not a useful one. The meeting that refused to end. Listen closely and imagine you are in the room. If you can smell bad coffee, the scene is working. The manager bangs the table and says, "We must."
પગલું ભરવું.
Now, everyone nods very seriously, which is office language for, I hope someone else does the work. After many opinions, one brave intern says, "Can we please?"
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
Before sunset, a miracle happens. People stop talking in circles. 2 departments finally agree to.
કરાર કરવો.
To make an agreement. There is a handshake so dramatic it deserves background music. Then someone remembers the chairs, the guests, the transport, and the snacks. Of course. So now the team must.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
To make an arrangement. Because events do not organize themselves. If they did, my socks would also fold themselves. Deadline drama. Now let us make the office even more realistic by adding a deadline. Nothing says motivation like mild panic. The manager pulls out a red marker like a hero in a low-budget action film and announces, "We need to."
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી.
That means set a deadline. Suddenly everyone becomes fast, focused, and strangely interested in calendars. One employee whispers, "If we."
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી.
The work may actually get done. Incredible, revolutionary, almost suspicious. Permission, forms, and other wild adventures. You are doing great. Now we enter the magical kingdom of approval, forms, and official stamps. Before booking the hall, the team must.
મંજૂરી મેળવવી.
Meaning obtain a confirmation. In many offices, no paper moves until another paper says it may move. A hopeful applicant arrives at the desk and says, "I am here to."
અરજી કરવી.
That means to submit an application. The form is long, the pen is missing, and somehow the stapler has vanished again. The clerk says, "First."
મંજૂરી મેળવવી.
Then.
અરજી કરવી.
The applicant nods like a student who understands, but inside is just elevator music. One tiny exception. Every rule has a moment when it looks around and says, "Fine, just this once." A student arrives late, soaked by rain, carrying papers that now look like wet noodles. The teacher sighs, looks at the clock, and decides to.
अपवादની મંજૂરી આપવી.
Which means allow an exception. The whole room feels relief. Even the ceiling fan seems emotionally supportive. This phrase is formal, useful, and perfect when rules bend without completely breaking. Quick recall challenge. Let us test your memory. Answer out loud. Yes, out loud. Your walls can handle it. How do you say take action?
પગલું ભરવું.
How do you say bring about a decision?
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
How do you say make an agreement?
કરાર કરવો.
How do you say make an arrangement?
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
How do you say set a deadline?
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી.
How do you say obtain a confirmation?
મંજૂરી મેળવવી.
How do you say submit an application?
અરજી કરવી.
How do you say allow an exception?
अपवादनी मंजूरी आपवी.
Mini dialogue for real life. Now hear the phrases working together like a team that finally had enough coffee. A. We cannot just wait. We need to.
પગલું ભરવું.
B. Right, and we should.
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
Today. A. Before that, both sides must.
કરાર કરવો.
B. And we still need to.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
For transport. A. Fine, let us.
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી.
Before lunch. B. Also, please.
મંજૂરી મેળવવી.
From the manager. A. Done. After that, I will.
અરજી કરવી.
B. Good. And if one document is missing, maybe they will.
અપવાદની મંજૂરી આપવી.
A. Maybe. Or maybe they will send us back to form number 93. Friendly conclusion. Nice work today. You handled Office Gujarati like a champion with a pen and a survival plan. Today you practiced 8 useful English to Gujarati phrases.
પગલું ભરવું. નિર્ણય લાવવો. કરાર કરવો. વ્યવસ્થા કરવી. સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી. મંજૂરી મેળવવી. અરજી કરવી.
And.
અપવાદની મંજૂરી આપવી.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and give yourself credit for every small step. Or, in today's vocabulary, keep.
પગલું ભરવું.